I'm a Mantled Howler monkey. I will tell you about myself. Now it is starting. By Haeun. I will start my presentation with a description of my anatomy. As a female, I weigh 14 pounds, while adult males weigh 17 to 24 pounds. I'm 23 inches tall, though females can be 18 to 24 inches tall. Adult males are 20 to 26 inches tall. But guess what? Our tails make us even bigger. Our tails can be between 21 and 25 inches long. We are one of the largest monkeys in Central America. My fur is colored black with brown and blonde settles. I have a loud voice, but the males are louder because they have a bigger hyoid bone, which is a bone near the vocal cords that makes our voices louder. Our voices can be heard for many miles. That is about it for my anatomy. Now it's time for biome and habitat. You can find me in Central and South America, for example, countries such as Colombia, Costa Rica, and Ecuador. I live in different types of forests. Although you can find me in secondary forests and semi-deciduous forests, you will mostly find me in older areas of forests and evergreen forests. I live in the canopies of these lowland and montane rainforests. I live in a territory that my troop has established. I don't make my own shelter. Instead, I find my home in canopies where I sleep together with my troop. The hard part of living in the rainforest is sharing it with predators, such as cats, weasels, snakes, and eagles. However, I love living in the rainforest and jumping from the trees. Yum, I'm hungry, but what do I eat? First, I'm a vegetarian. I usually eat leaves but also eat flowers and fruits too because leaves provide less energy than many other foods. I forage and graze on trees in the same area where I live. I can find food in different parts of trees, but it depends on the trees. I can eat mature leaves, young leaves, flower, fruit, or petioles of leaves by grasping them and munching. I use my three-color vision to find which food to eat. I prefer young leaves with more protein than fiber and lower tannin. Overall, I eat many different types of leaves and fruit. Young and reproduction. Cute little monkey. When infants are born, they are about 1 pound and are about 2 feet. Pregnancy lasts for about 6 months and the babies were fathered by the alpha male in the troop. 1 monkey is born at a time for each female by the uterus. Adult females give birth every 19 to 23 months. At birth, infants have silver fur and few days later it becomes gold or pale brown. At 3 months, fur darkens and they start looking like an adult. My mother carried me when I was an infant on her chest for first 2 to 3 weeks and then her back. She carried me until I was 4 to 5 months old. I miss being carried by my mother. Adaptation. This is my favorite part because it makes me special. I have a hyoid bone near my vocal cords that amplifies the sound I make. I can make many different sounds like barking, crunching, going poof, clucking, and scratching. The bone lets me save energy because I can locate my family and friends without having to move. I live in a group of 10 members and we can make noises to communicate without large salivary gland helps me break down leaves. I am very thankful for all my adaptations. Endangered! Lastly, mankind is known as endangered by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service since 1976 for a few reasons. First, rainforest fragmentation has made mankind relocate to other regions. Rainforest fragmentation means habitat loss because humans have been cutting down trees and clearing land. Oh no! This is bad for us because we need trees to move around. Also, we become isolated and some of us may not be able to spread out. This can lead to local extinction by natural disasters, disease, and inbreeding. I hope that humans are aware of their impact on my habitat. I hope you learned a lot about me. For example, where I'm from, what I look like, and what I eat. If you want to meet me, come to Central America and you will recognize my really loud voice. Bye. Clap!